Hi everyone. Today we're going to have a look at the hair color chart and really understand how it works and how you as a stylist can use it in your salon. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Color and I'm here to show you exactly how a hair color chart works. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Right, in order to understand how a hair color chart works, we've got to understand the International Hair Color Level System first. And this is the system which hairdressers all around the world use to describe how dark or how light a color is. And it's typically the first number you see in the hair color name or number. And it goes from level 1, which is black, to level 10, which is extra light blonde. Note, by the way, here, there's no such thing as 12 platinum blonde. 1 to 10 is the system that is used, and we as stylists should stick to that system in order to describe exactly how dark or how light someone's hair is. Okay? Now we talk about the reflex, because the level is just the basic level of the basic fundamental primary color. But typically when we color a hair, we typically add in some secondary reflex to make the hair color look prettier, more rich and more vibrant. And these go from N natural, NN extra coverage. We'll have a look at all of these on the hair color chart in a second. Ash, A, violet, V, G, gold, C, copper, RV, mahogany, R, red, and BR, chestnut. And this, the names and the letters that I've used, this is how we in the US typically refer to reflex. But there's also European system, which is number based, but it's pretty similar. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. You can use either system. They're absolutely equivalent. Okay. Now, you take any random hair color tube. We've taken an ugly duckling tube of ugly duckling hair color. It could have been anyone, but they all work in the same way. You've got the first number, which is the level, and then you've got the secondary reflex, which is either in letters or in numbers, but refers to the exact same thing. So you take this product here. It's called 6.31 or 6GA. And you refer back here, you say, okay, 6 is dark blonde. If it had been 7 or 8, it would have been lighter. If it had been 4 or 3, it would have been darker, but it's 6, dark blonde. And then we've got GA. Well, we know what G is, it's gold. And we know what A is, it's ash. So your 6GA means dark blonde is a primary reflex. And then the secondary reflex is mainly gold with a hint of ash added. So this is going to be a fairly warm color, but there'll be some cool tones in there as well. And sure, we've got a name there, dark beige blonde, but we as stylists, we don't need the name because many manufacturers use different names. It's far easier to say, okay, 6.31, 6GA, I know exactly what that is. Now, of course, this doesn't mean to say that every manufacturer's 6GA is exactly the same. That would be for you to discover and learn, but at least it shows you what the manufacturer is intending. And you stick all of that together on a hair color chart, and that's how you get a hair color chart. And that you can see it's very systematic and very clear. You've got the levels going from 1 to 10, and then you've got your reflex. You've got your natural, the extra coverage for covering very resistant white hair. You've got Ugly Duckling has 2 ash series, a regular ash and a blue ash. You've got the violet. So up to here, you've got the cold reflex, and then you start having, cold with warm, gold with a bit of ash, copper and auburn, red, and then finally the brown or chestnut. So that is basically how a hair color chart works. And any tube that comes your way, you can look at it. You can say, okay, it's 8.2. Okay, I know what that is. 8 is light blonde, and 0.2 is violet reflect. Okay. Now, bear in mind, there are some products which are not covered by this, and they tend to be toners and additives or fashion color. So toners typically have their own system, additives have their own system, and fashion color, we typically just refer to the name. So ruby red or blue fuchsia pink, and they don't fall into this system. But everything else will fall into this international hair color chart system. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.